I'm going to be explaining the basics of population dynamics. Population dynamics are pretty much the life science or study of how a species changes over time in terms of numbers. And scientists study this topic in order to understand the size, growth, and density of any population. This life science actually ties into determining how many people our planet can support. These studies can help scientists that examine demography visualize what our future may look like. They can also help determine biodiversity in animals and humans, which is the variation of traits in a species. Although it may seem like a pretty simple topic, population dynamics includes a lot of different factors such as births, deaths, and even migration. The top most populated countries in the world as of right now are China, India, and the United States. But let's take a look at what really affects their population. We're currently at a birth rate of 2.5, which means that for every death, there are 2.5 births. At the same time, the fertility rate is also about 2.5, meaning the average woman will have 2 to 3 children in her lifetime. Factors of death, on the other hand, include medical conditions, nutrition, gender, and age. There are actually a few different kinds of ways that a population can grow. Exponential growth describes a dramatic increase and does not steady out as time passes. It can get bad as it does not have a capping point and can go completely out of control. Logistical growth, on the other hand, is when the increase slows down and remains steady as it approaches the maximum capacity. This is the ideal growth pattern. So, what are some other causes and effects of overpopulation? The main cause of overpopulation is that people can live longer and healthier lives in the modern era. Another cause is our ability to migrate. This includes both emigration and immigration. Effects of overpopulation include farming problems, deforestation, loss of fresh water, and eutrophication, which is when there are too many nutrients in a body of water. In conclusion, population dynamics are connected to our everyday lives and are affected by many different factors. It is important to understand that our numbers are growing exponentially rather than logistically, and how this is a problem due to limited resources. While people can live longer and healthier lives in the modern era, we have to become more aware of our impact on the environment. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something.